In this video, we are going to find mean, median, mode, and range. So I've given this following sequencing. So how can we find the median of this sequence? How one find a mean? The mean is a sum of the numbers of the sequence and divided by it's the sum of this whole number, then you divide by these numbers that you have there. So that means here we have the sum of all of this number. It's what? It's 14 plus 7 plus 12 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9. Then you divide by the number of these numbers. There, how many there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by the number of terms. You have 7 terms there. Then you punch this, you should obtain 9,286 when you round it off. This is our what? Our mean. This is how you find the mean. Then how do you find the median? How can we get the median? How do you get the median? So how do you get the median? The median is the middle number of this sequence. But first you should write this sequence, rewrite this sequence in an increasing order. You start by a smaller number until you end up by the larger number or big value there. You start by the small value there. You write it in increasing order. We have 5, which is smaller. So we can write here, we have 5. I also have 7, 7, 2 of 7 there. We have 7 and 7. What is the small again? Is 9. We have 9. What is the small again? We have 11. Then we also have 12. The bigger number here, we have the bigger value is 14. So we have to use this increasing format so that we can find the median. Median is the middle number of this sequence. So how can we find that How can we find that median? It's a middle number. What can I do? I'll simply eliminate this. We can simply eliminate like this. The first and the last of the first, the second of the first, and the last second of the last, until you get to the middle number. Like that. We have cancelled 3 this side, we've cancelled 3 this side. Our middle number here, which is 9. That will be our median. Our median is 9. It's our middle number in this increasing sequence. So the following we can find what we call the mode. We'll have the mode. The mode is simply a repeated number, the number that frequently appear on your sequence. What is that number? What is that number? You can see here what is the number that appears the most here. You can check. You can see that you have 7. 7 appears twice more than any number in the sequence. So that means our mode here is what? It's 7. We have 7. So what about the range? We're not talking about the range. The range is the higher number minus the lower number. It's a bigger number minus the smallest number. So since you've write this in a sequence form, in the increasing sequence, our highest number should be this, and the lowest number should be the first number, or the first term on your sequence. What is that? We have the bigger number here in this sequence, as you can see, even in this one here, in this one, we have 14. So you'll have 14 minus the smaller value. We know that is 5. We have 5. The first one, there's 5. So what will be our range? Our range there will be 9. That is how we do these things. Let's see, now we have 14, our sequence there, 7, 8, we have 9, we have 11, we have 12 there, we have 13. So we want to find the mean. We know that the mean is a sum of the numbers, divide by the positions or the terms there. We know the sum. We add all of this number. We have 14 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13. We divide by the numbers, by the term of the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 terms. So then we can have our, when you add the top part there, when you punch all of these, you should get, this should be 10.571. That is your mean. Then can we find again the median? What is the median? It's a middle number. So you know, when you find the median, you rewrite the sequence in an increasing form. It's when you're gonna get what? The median. You can start by we write it in the what? Increasing format. The smaller number here, it's what? 7. You can write your sequence here. We have 7. We also have what? 8. We have 9. We have 11. We have 12. We have 13. We have 14. This is what we have there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we want the middle term here, which is our median. So as you know, I will start by cancelling this and cancel that, cancel this and cancel that, cancel this and cancel that. What is our middle number there? It's 11. We have 11. 11 is our median. So we can find the mode. Mode is the number that repeats itself. As we can check here, all of this number, there is no number that repeats itself here. So we have what? The mode, we have none. We don't have the mode. Right, so we can find the range. What is the range now here? The range is the higher number. The higher number minus the lower number on the increasing sequence. Higher number here is 14 there, minus by 7 there. So what will be the range? The range there will be what? 7. That is our range. Let's try this one again. We have 11, we have 4, we have 6, we have 6, we have 8, we have 9, we have 10. There we have how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have what? 9. We have 8 terms now. So we want to find the median. We want to get the median, or let's just start by the mode, or we can start by just say mean. Let's just start by mean, the normal one. We know that the mean is a sum divided by the number of terms. We add all of these. We have 11 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 9. Right, then we divide this by the number of terms there. We have 8 of them. Now we'll have what? 8. All right. This will be the same as 6 over 8. Then what will be that? This is the same as 7,875. This what is our mean. So we have to find now the median, the middle term there. We have to find the median, but I've said when we find the median, we write our sequence in an increasing form. The smaller number there is 4. The following is what? Is 6. Also 6. Then we have 8. We have 9. We have 9. We have 10. We have 11. So we'll focus on this one. All right. So we want now the middle, the median. We want the median. the middle term there. So I will cancel this, cancel that, cancel this, cancel that, cancel this, cancel that. Wow, check here. Now we'll have two terms now here. So what we'll have there, our median will lies here between these two numbers, which is will be average. If you have this thing, you see we want that value here. How do we get that value? We'll simply say 8 plus 9 divided by 2. Since we have the different numbers, then you punch your calculator. We have will be 17 over 2, which that will be same as what is 8,5. That is our median. Right, that will be our median. And of course, we can find also the mode, the number that appears most, the number that repeats itself. We can see here we have what 6 appears twice. We have 6, and we also have 9, and 9 appears twice. So it's 6 and 9. This is the mode. This is a bimodal because there are two bimodal. We have what we call bimodal. So then we can find our range. We know that our range will be the higher value minus the lower value. The higher value is the one here, which is 11, minus the lower value, which is 4 there. So you simply subtract 11 minus 4, which is 7. This is what our range. This is